welcome back to Katie's Cool Creations, and if you are new here, welcome to the channel. And for this week's video, it is very exciting because I'm going to be showing you guys DIY summer room decor, obviously for your room. I mean, we always can use more room decor. Honestly, I can. More room decor would be awesome, but some of us are obviously still bored, so I thought this would be a good idea to show you guys how to make your very own DIY room decor. So I thought this would be a great video idea to try, and I hope you guys enjoy these DIYs because they are really cute. So keep on watching to learn how to make them. And if you're new here to my channel, it would make me so happy if you scroll down and click that subscribe button so you don't miss any new fun videos just like this one in the future. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get right on with this week's DIYs. Let's go. The first DIY that we are going to be making in today's video is this super cute marble clay photo holder. So the supplies you'll need for this is some air dry clay, paint of your choice, and lastly a ruler. So that is basically all the supplies. So let's get this DIY started. So first I'm going to begin by opening my clay, and you can just pull out just a little. You honestly don't need that much, and I'm just going to start kneading it in with my hands just so when we add the paint it is easier to mix in. So now I'm taking like about a fourth of my big piece of clay and adding the color of your paint into that littler piece of clay. I'm personally using black just so this can make like a darkish gray looking color, so whenever I mix it into the other white clay it will add this marble effect. So now since I have it all mixed in, it is time to mix it in to the bigger white piece of clay. So that is what I'm going to do right now. So I'm just going to start mixing it in, slightly mix it, and then mainly twist it, and then roll it up in a ball, all that stuff. So yeah, do that until you get the marble effect that you... Whenever you have that marble effect, just roll it up into a ball, and I don't know what you would call this shape that you're going to try and get. I guess it would be like half of a cheese circle. That is like the shape you want to get. I mean, you guys can see right here. So like half of a cheese circle. I mean, I don't know what else to call it. But then you want to take your ruler and slightly make a slit in it. Not all the way, but about, I guess you could say halfway. So make a slit in it where your Polaroid picture or whatever little picture you want can fit in. So now I'm taking my little picture of me and just setting it right in there. And as you can tell, that slit holds it right in there perfectly. And yeah, this turned out super cute, and just let it sit and dry for a couple days and it should be good to go. The next decor piece that we are going to be making is this super cute water bottle planter. It is so cute. So the supplies you'll need for this is obviously a water bottle, a hot glue gun, scissors, some string, and some really cool beads. So first you are going to begin by taking your water bottle and getting any marker and just tracing a line around the bottom half of your water bottle, and then you can just cut it with your scissors, and this is what mine looks like after it's being cut. And now you can take your beads of your choice. I have these like somewhat big beads, and they're like tan and brown, and they're really pretty. So I'm just grabbing a couple that are all the same shape, and I'm taking some hot glue and just gluing them to the top rim of my water bottle piece. And you can just do this all the way around your water bottle. So yeah. And once that is done, you can take some of your string and just unwrap it from the roll of string. And now I'm going to take some hot glue and put under the beads on my water bottle and start wrapping around all of the string on like about an inch or so under the beads. So just keep wrapping them around underneath the beads. Whenever that is all done, you can cut it off and then glue it in place. And now you can take your beads once again and put beads around your string under it at the bottom, and then under your beads that you just glued on, you can put some more string. It is pretty simple and easy compared to what it looks like, and then just cut off the string again and place it in some glue so it doesn't get loose or anything. And yeah, that is it for like the planter. And now you can just fill it up with some rocks of your choice. I have some of these white ones that I actually got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take one of these fake succulents that I have, and I'm just putting it in and then putting rocks around it and just making it look so cute. And yeah, it is so easy, guys. This one you guys have to try out. Look how adorable this thing is. It's a great gift for any time, for anyone's birthday. So awesome. Try this one out. This next DIY has to be one of my favorites. It's this super awesome, cool, retro vibed CD that I painted some flowers on. So the supplies you'll need for this one is obviously a CD, some paintbrushes, and paint of your choice. Not much, right guys? So first I'm going to take a knife. You guys can also use scissors if you don't have a knife. And I'm going to cut just a slit on the back side of it with the paper on it. And then I'm taking some tape to get that foil stuff off because we have to paint on it and it can't have foil on it. So this is a really cool hack to do that. So just continue taking your tape and just peeling all of that off. And this is what mine looks like when it is completely clean. And now I'm just putting some paint of my choice on my plate. Personally, I'm gonna start painting some daisies. So first I'm putting some yellow dots all over my clear CD. And then whenever they're all done, I'm gonna take some of my white paint and draw some of the flower petals on them, if that makes sense. So that is what I'm doing here. And yeah, that is pretty much it. You can add some more dots, which I actually did afterwards whenever it was all dry, and I think it turned out pretty awesome. It was honestly so easy. It was so cool. I'm so happy with it, and here's just all the DIYs that I made in this video, and yeah, they turned out so cute. And that is it for this week's video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. I mean, these DIYs turned out really cute, especially the water bottle one. You cannot even tell that it is a water bottle. Pop it up right here. It's just really gorgeous. Like I said, you cannot tell that it was made out of a water bottle that I'm sure we all have. And just the CD turned out so retro revived. I really like it. And also just the marble photo holder. Oh my gosh, I can see it on my desk right now. It is so cute. I cannot wait till it fully dries and I can put pictures in there. I probably will be making more in the future because they're so cute. And yeah, let me know down below in the comment section if you guys enjoyed these DIY room decor, and if you would do one, which one will it be? And yeah, this was a really fun video to film. I have new room decor, and if you guys do these, you soon will too. And yeah, and if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!